If your family member's legs are uncomfortable, please follow along with me. First, apply massage oil. Step 1. Push outwards with both thumbs 20 times. Slowly press down with 2 fingers. Push outward, penetrating slowly. Repeat this back and forth 20 times. Step 2. Overlap your thumbs and press along the central line of the leg, pushing straight to the Huizong point. Push back and forth 3 to 5 times. Step 3. Use the base of your thumb and index finger to twist the leg muscles from left to right, relaxing the leg muscles. Do this back and forth 3 to 5 times. Step 4. Push upward with 1 finger. After pushing up a section, rotate to the right and knead. Knead a few circles, then push up again and knead. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. Step 5. Use the knuckles of a single fist to push along the central line of the leg muscles, pushing all the way to the popliteal fossa. Do this back and forth 3 to 5 times. Step 6. Clench both hands into fists. Use the knuckle surfaces of your fingers to scrape the muscles on both sides of the calf, scraping back and forth 3 to 5 times. Step 7. Overlap your fingers and push upwards. Section by section. Pushing slowly upwards. After pushing up, slide down along the central lines on both sides. Okay. Continue to push up with both thumbs, pushing back and forth 3 to 5 times. Final step. Cross your hands. Use the thenar muscles of your palms, pushing up and pulling down. Do this back and forth 3 to 5 times. This way, the legs will feel very relaxed. Have you learned it?